Excelea, ya le pudo lo luxo.
Ai che non queste quel po' le la so mule quel fa lo ne fa.
Fa yellow solo wall spring break. E poi poca
Ahora que cada papel han pero hasta que hubo
¿Cómo pero roll out
que un esto culo. Oh way.
And he's like, and he says, I'm like,
Shut up.
You shut up.
I need to shut the hell
You
up.
shut up. You shut up.
Never done
yeah,
that.
we went on a date for him. I'm like, come on, so I thought,
Shut the hell up.
he's not used to
Shut
it.
up.
He can understand, but like, he tries to do it. Kind of thing. That's why they play around. Tomorrow they'll watch it.
Shut up. Read that shit, man.
You ain't gay.
Leva mal que vai perceber.
Shut up.
Oh my god, honey.
That muscle broke.
The muscle I'm eating.
Nah, man, I'm not going to my leg.
Shut up, man. Well, if you don't want to hear that, then
Well,
shut
if you don't want to hear us, then don't.
La cara la se lo prueba. You shut up. Okay.
Everybody's talking shit, and then it was done, right? And then I was sitting like, Kiki, my you know the person that complained about us? Like that. Blue blood Hawaiian. She should know. And then you, Lalo. And then the neighbors told me, you, Lalo. And then she said, I don't care. But I don't know this lady that she was talking to. Like, I don't care. She's Hawaiian. Oh, she, I don't give a fuck. But she probably knows some more people. Maybe that's why she should know. Hawaiian, she would understand someone. She could have came over here. Yeah, he keeps out. It sounds like the
Hey, everybody shut up.
she's the owner.
I'm being convinced, man. Come on, man.
What?
I'm the owner, but she's my
Okay,
she's my secretary.
What am
I?
You're
Sabor.
you're just a waste of time.
Are you serious?
Can you guys be quiet? Okay, Mo, please.
On the YouTube?